Hello everyone. Hi, I'm Masbullah. In this video, I will review the material contained in the video entitled "The Balance Scorecard Simple Explanation Paper." Balance Scorecard or BSG is a method of measuring work result used by the company or commonly referred to as management strategy. The balanced scorecard provides companies with the uh, element needed to move from an always financial paradigm to a new model in which the results of the balanced scorecard become the starting point for reviewing, questioning, and learning about their strategy. The balanced scorecard will translate the vision and strategy into a coherent set of measures in four balanced perspective. The balanced system The balanced scorecard system aims to provide a manager with a more comprehensive view by complementing financial measure through additional metric that measure performance in uh, various areas. These areas are customer satisfaction, product innovation, and other. This framework is outlined in a paper published in the Harvard Business Review. The Robert S. Kaplan and David B. Norton balanced scorecard function. Uh, at first, the BSG was only used to improve the financial measuring system. Then it is expanded and used to measure for perspective, namely finance, customer, internal business, process, and learning and growth. Furthermore, the balanced scorecard has the following function. First, as a company measure whether the vision and mission adopted have been achieved as a measure of your company's competitive advantage and advantage as a strategic guide to running your business. A strategy effectiveness analysis tool that have been used. Next, provide an overview to the company related to SWOT on it. Next, as a company's key performance indicator tool, as feedback to the company's shareholders, as a communication, information, and analysis system for company learning. The balanced scorecard can be said to be the simplest measuring tool in the company so that it has many weaknesses. One of the drawbacks is that the information presented is limited and lack assurance, so that it cannot see other factors that can affect the company's performance. For example, when there is crisis, government policies, or even at certain moment, how far companies must still have measurements reference such as the balanced scorecard, because in it there are four main perspective with are instead for main important find in business. What are the four perspective? The four perspective of the balanced scorecard are as follow. Number one, financial perspective. In the balanced scorecard, the financial perspective is a perspective that cannot be ignored. Measurement of financial performance, so whether planning, implementation, and implementation as well as strategies provide a fundamental improvement. This improvement can be in the form of gross operating income, return on investment, or economic value added. BSG can explain further about saving the efficient that plays a role in realizing wealth growth as follows. First, incurred customer satisfaction through insured revenue. Second, increase productivity and employee commitment through cost effectiveness, so that there is an increase in profit. Third, increasing the company's ability to generate financial returns by reducing the capital use or investing in project that generally take return. The principle of the balanced scorecard, there must be a balance between a financial perspective and a non-financial perspective. Number two, in the perspective of the customer's perspective. Uh, the customer balance scorecard, the company first need to determine the target market and customer segment. Next, manager must determine the be measuring to be measured the performance of each operating unit in an effort to achieve financial target. Customer benchmarks are divided into two groups, namely the cards measured group core, and the customer value profession or supporting group. The core group or core measurements consists of market share, the rate of acquisition of new customer acquisition, the company's ability to retain of customer, the level of customer satisfaction, the levels of customer profitability. Will the support group is divided into three groups, namely one, first, product attribute, price, quality, function. Second, relationship with customer. Trade, image, and reputation. Number three, internal business process perspective. The internal business process perspective present critical process that enable business unit to provide a value proposition that is able to attract and retain customer in the desired market segment and satisfy a shareholder. Its company has a unique process and values for its customer. In general, it is divided into three basic principles from the perspective of internal business process, namely the innovation process, the operation process, and after sales service. Number four, a learning and growth perspective. This perspective of the balanced scorecard provides the infrastructure for achieving the previous three perspective and for generating long-term growth and improvement. It is important for a business entity when investing not only in equipment to reduce product or service, but also investing in infrastructure, namely human resource, system, and operation. That's all I can say. Thank you for watching.